Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make your own run/walk GUI on your own Roblox game. So to start off, insert a screen GUI into the starter GUI and call it run/walk GUI. This name does not matter, you can call it whatever you want. So, and then now insert a text button and customize it to what you desire. I'm going to keep it simple and make sure the text is equal to run. So now under text scaled, and now text stroke transparency is going to be set to 0, and then border size pixel is going to be set to 0, and then the font is going to be source sans semi-bold. So this is the text button, and I'm going to call this text button toggle. Now you're going to want to duplicate it and call the duplicate of it toggle 2. So if you don't understand this, tell you in a minute, just make sure that the toggle 2 is the text is set to walk, and make sure the visibility is set to false. So now inside the screen GUI, you want to insert a local script, and the variables are going to be the toggle, the first toggle, and the second toggle. So, and then equals game, script dot parent colon wait for child toggle. Same thing with this one besides toggle 2. So script dot parent colon wait for child, and then toggle 2. So these are the defined variables. Now the code is going to be the toggle. Oh, and by the way, I will be linking down the source code in the description below, but I recommend watching the video first so you kind of know how the script works. So now toggle dot mouse button 1 up, 1 up, yes, and then connect with a capital C function, and then drop a line, and there should be an end down here. So how this works is the toggle, which is right here, whenever the player clicks on it with their left mouse button, when they the mouse button goes up, it's going to run this function, and then it's going to do whatever's inside this code, which is going to be toggle dot visible is set to false, and then the toggle 2 dot visible is going to be set to true. Whenever the player clicks on the button, it's going to set the first toggle visibility to false, and set the toggle 2, which is set to the text is walk. It'll tell them to click that when they need to walk, and it'll set that one to true. So now we need to give the player their walk speed of whatever you want. So we're going to do game.players local player character humanoid walk speed, and set the it's going to be 32. This is 32 is a double amount of walk speed. The default walk speed for Roblox is 16, so double that is 32. So now, whenever the player doesn't want to run anymore, we need to do this again, but we need to reverse it. So we're going to do toggle 2 dot mouse button 1 up, and then colon connect function, and so whenever the toggle 2 is pressed again, it's going to run this function, and anything inside this code will then be run. So now we're going to do the opposite of this. So the toggle is going to be set to true, and the toggle 2 is going to be set to false. So toggle.visible is set to true. So now the toggle2.visible is going to be false. And once again, we need to give them their default walk speed. And I'm going to just copy this and paste it down here and set the 32 to 16, which once again is the default walk speed. This is the same code as up here, just make sure this is set to 16. This has to be 16 if you want it to be default walk speed. This can be whatever speed you want. It can be 1 or it can be 64, which is 4 times the amount of the default walk speed. So now if I go into a test server, it should be working. Okay, so it looks like I have an error, which I see how, so I'll be back when I fix this. Okay, so just to let you know, the wait for child on toggle 2, I accidentally put an R right here instead of a T. Okay, so I don't have any errors in the output. So I'm going to press this run button, and it says walk now. And I'm running really, really fast now, as you guys can see. And if I press the walk button, it says run, and I'm at normal walk speed. You can see the difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, learned something new, and I hope this will be helpful into your own Roblox game. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this, and push that bell down below. Bye!